Hey, for all you coffee fans, coffee grinder, fresh coffee, and we have some Colombian Supreme, good stuff. We have put the beans in here. We'll do that in a second. If you see across the top here, you can decide whether you want it fine ground, medium ground, or coarse ground. So you can decide how fine you want your coffee beans ground. We have 1 cup, 2 cup, and a few other choices. Here you have a 3-way switch, one for automatic, and this side here, 2 for manual. I'm going to do automatic because I'm lazy. Probably way too much, but hey, that's okay. You'll be drinking coffee all day probably if you're a coffee lover. Throw the top on. Okay, we have the coffee in. We're going to do 1 cup. There's a little switch here in the back to let the coffee go down into the grinder. So we'll give that a try. And I had it on pretty fine, so you can see, look at that nice fine ground coffee.